Most people waste their 20s. I didn't want to. By 22, I built a strong financial foundation. Here are 10 simple money moves that made me richer in my 20s. They can change your life too. Number 1, start investing early. I opened my first brokerage account the day I turned 18. Even $20 a week adds up. Time is your greatest asset. I started small, stayed consistent, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. People have a hard time wrapping their head around short-term pain for long-term gain. Even if it's a small amount of money, it's worth it. Number 2, live below your means. Look, we all like nice things, but if you can't afford it, then don't buy it. I was extremely blessed and I lived at my parents' house for 2 years after I graduated high school. This allowed me to work and save and make mistakes and have something to fall back on. But I know a lot of people don't have this opportunity, but if you do, then take advantage of it. Number 3, build high income skills. I invested time into skills that actually make money, not just hobbies. I've spent the last 2 years learning and understanding the stock market because I knew that was a valuable skill. I read books, listened to podcasts, watched videos, listened to conference calls, learned how to read an income statement. Skills open doors. Money follows. Number 4, create multiple income streams. Many times over the past 4 years, I have had more than one source of income. I am recently trying to transition into something that's important to me and still makes me money, but multiple streams of income has been crucial to my success. The big ones for me were eBay, Etsy, and the stock market. Number 5, stay invested during dips. Markets crash, people panic, stay calm. Every dip is just a buying opportunity. I don't care if the S&P drops 50%, I'm not selling. Timing the market is a fool's game. Look at every single billionaire, and in case you didn't know, many of them have written books. Read them. Wealth is built through patience, not panic. Number 6, automate saving and investing. Out of sight, out of mind. I automated one of my savings accounts a while back. It was on auto investment of $15 a week, and I recently just cashed it out at $3,500. And I moved that over to the stock market. That just goes to show what small amounts can do. Number 7, invest in yourself. Books, videos, a gym membership, healthy food, learning new skills, whatever it is. This is the highest ROI. Your mindset and habits are everything. Number 8, avoid debt and interest traps. Debt steals future income. I pay off my credit card bills on time every single month. Now, I didn't go to college and I don't own a home, so I have no student loans or a mortgage. But just be aware that debt will slow you down if you're not prepared for it. Number 9, stay patient. Get rich quick schemes are traps. Those people trying to get you to buy a course or hop on the next trend are setting you up for failure. Building real wealth is boring. It's slow, steady, and insanely powerful over time. Number 10, stay consistent. One smart move doesn't change your life. 100 smart moves over time does. Stack wins every single day. If you start these now, you'll be shocked where you are in 5 years. Play the long game. Your future self will thank you. These are the habits that I have developed over the past 4 years that have been crucial to my financial success. If you want to start to build some serious wealth, implement these money habits into your life. I hope this video helped, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.